Phainai 2019 Lok Sabha Chongmario yak Bodol Tripura hasiba BJP na Batayu chachuna Chongmario Batianai Kubum mungsa Bodolrokbai Kwthawi basaya tamne hamba Tripura hasiba Kubum phangana kebon Bodol kroi tangsal no jidok salmari wago town haba songsajak Cpim doni hasti committee ni phil ni hasti ni kuthumungo koktuma thumen kuthumungo okok saka dol ni sorbo bharatiya tangphangkra Sitaram Echuri Tebo Saka Phainai 3 November 2018 BCO yak Bodol no yasangnai tei Kubum don no yasangnai mothoro rasainok hubar khanerok ba hani huba gara khor deluo kuthumun ainai Chongmario sakang Narendra Modi ruma kongrong nangnani bagai Bone kone sanmung ongkha agiwo kok saklai ruma tei hokbar khaneroni manmani bathai paini rang morok chongi rani tei waishabai no hokbar khaneroni lakai pai rani abuno kare luku rong no logi tei ba hani luku phan naraknani tei BJP no hapusi mani phanni yakni nonani chobao tongai hne sajaka Abani ulo Phainai 2019 BC ni January tarni chate chuko salmario badhawa trade union rok salni ni bagi hortal ni khorang tisine hni bo sajaka Phainai Lok Sabha Chongmario kitinga yak Bodol Kubum mungsa Bodolrokbai yak da chapkha chabia tumu chapke bo Bodolrokbai chapkha hne koktuma thumai rokbai sungjabi yasade Sitaram Echuri saka tabuk yago kwbangma jora tongkho ase harakora khai chuya tamni hamba badhawa agiwa kwbangma kwthajak hapang phano phaigya aborok bebangno Chongmario ulose Kwthawi hapangni phano phayo hanebe abno tei mungsa sumo asainani fer krei phia amchairok thungkrung phasing wansugoi bad hani juda juda amchairok Bodolrokbai Cpim Kwthanai hne saka
But this is the meeting only to a preliminary meeting to exchange ideas. If at all this meeting, I'm sure it will take place. So the determination is the other court. It is the government that is interfering. And now, according to their game plan, they wanted some judicial verdict in their favor before the election. That is not happening is cause for this sort of frustration. But from the Prime Minister's mouth, this coming is something that is completely unacceptable. And it's a very, very dangerous trend. And it's basically a fascistic trend that is undermining this entire constitutional republican parliamentary democracy that is existing in our country. So Cpim strongly condemns these sort of comments by the Prime Minister and calls upon the people to reject it. Third point is, all this is happening, along with this is a great interference in undermining all our constitutional and statutory authorities and institutions. The Parliament itself, its sessions have been truncated. When Parliament sessions are truncated, government escapes from the accountability to the Parliament. Because Parliament only can make the government accountable. And it is the people to whom the parliamentarians are accountable. That is how the constitutions we the people function. You break the link at the level of Parliament, the we the people loses all its meaning. That is what is being done. The interference in the judiciary, I told you about. The interference in the CBI, all of us are seeing. The midnight coup. The government carrying out a midnight coup against its own premier investigating agency. We have not heard anywhere in the world so far. It's like Donald Trump carrying out a midnight coup over the FBI in the US. And then you have now with the Reserve Bank of India. There are question marks that have been arising over the Election Commission's function. The CBC. Now that is also various question marks have been risen there. So what you see today is the undermining of our constitutional power. This is to facilitate the transition to their concept of a Hindutva Rashtra, which is against the constitution and the principles of secular democratic government. Now this is happening, in my opinion, because this Modi government has failed to implement even a single electoral promise they made in 2014. And it is this reaction that you are finding in this round of assembly election. It is not an anti-incumbency against the state government as much as it is an anti-incumbency against the central government of the Modi government. So more than the state and government's anti-incumbency is the central government.